Now the football led by a hat-trick from Aurel Miller, last year's beaten finalist, DaCosta Cup finalist Glenmuir High, started the season with a 5-0 win over Kempsale High on Saturday. The game was only 2 minutes old when Miller pushed Glenmuir into the lead. Within another 4 minutes, Miller had Glenmuir flying into a 2-0 lead. Miller completed his hat-trick with just 50 minutes on the clock as the game was pushed out of Kempsale's reach. With the Miller show ending, Dunstan Cohen got in on the act to make it 4-0, and Tajuan Cummings put the lid on the victory as the Champions Cup holders made it a 5-star performance.
Well, it's the first game of the season, so we'll be a little slower coming out. The most important thing is to win the game and the intentions rather than the execution.
Over in Old Harbour, the home team shared the points 0-0 with 10 men Fogar Road High. Fogar Road played 41 minutes with 10 men as Tigwan Gilbert was shown a straight red card in the 49th minute.
The home team did not prepare the field as best as how they should. So as you can see, some section of the field is high, some is low, some sections are cut, some sections aren't. So it was a difficult game. However, my boys wanted something from this game and we got a positive result away from home. So I have to congratulate them.
I would say I'm satisfied with the performance because based on training and pre-season coming up to the season, I'm not satisfied with this performance because I know that this is not the best performance the guys could have given.
And Port Antonio High defeated St. Mary Technical 3-0 at Carter Park in Zone M action. Shavari Walker scored twice for Port Antonio, with his goals coming in the 40th and 82nd minutes. Kerona George was responsible for the other goal, which came in the 60th minute. In the late game at the Montego Bay Sports Complex, Cornwall College defeated Herbert Marshall Technical by 4 goals to 1.